from the fire. No, those are just from the fire right there.
Dan, get ready.
Alex.
Get ready. Keep looking.
Alex.
They're gonna like
Look.
Oh, the brilliant first one.
Dan, is it nice?
It's nice. I don't know how to.
Is it loud for you?
No, I like it.
You like it, Dan?
Mummy.
Yeah.
Oh no, you just stood there.
Hey, the best dinosaur right there. Make up the show. Oh my gosh, that's amazing one. It's smoke.
The first one literally said Una
It's
reverse.
making so many dinosaurs and bears. That dinosaurs look like pseudopose. That is murderous.
Fly! Fly, my friends!
Fly! Wow. What? Ah! This one. Are you kidding me? That wasn't red. That was red color. Yes, my favorite kind of weather. Be careful. It might hit you in the head. Oh!